What's up everybody, Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, your daily mobile app show. And today I'm going to show you how to create a GIF poll on Instagram. So I'm on Instagram stories right now. First we want to take a photo or a video using this button, or we can use one of these items along the bottom down here. Tons of options. I'm just going to take a normal. And then what we want to do is tap on the coloring tool in the top right. Then I'm just going to pick orange and I'm going to hold my finger down. It's going to paint the whole screen orange. Got a nice blank canvas there. And then I'm going to tap on the stickers tool in the top right. I'm going to tap on poll. And this is the part where we create our poll. The question I'm going to ask is which dog is better? Then I'm just going to type pug or golden. I'm not going to use this text right here because it's kind of in the way. Then I'm just going to hit done. Move this down a little bit, let's center that. Then we can tap the text tool in the top right or just tap on the screen to type our question. Move that up a little bit. And then I'm gonna tap the stickers icon again. Now we could tap on GIF or we can just search for whatever we want. So I'm gonna search pug. This one here in the top left is good. What we wanna do is just align that right there. And then I'm going to go back to the search tool again, type in golden retriever, tap this one in the bottom right, align that one. Another tip is that you can tap on any of these GIFs and it'll sort of flip it left to right. Doesn't really matter in this instance, but there's a way to flip those. Move this text down a little bit, and there we go. That's pretty much all we need to do to create a GIF poll. I'm just going to send this one to my story, then I'm going to tap on my story. And this is what it will look like. Let me hold down on that to pause it. Which dog is better, pug or a golden? And they'll just animate as the post goes by, and you can tap on one of them to pick. That's all I got for this video. Just a quick tip on how to make a more creative poll using some GIFs there. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions and I will try and answer those. Let me know what GIF polls you guys have created or if you found this helpful. Also, check out some of my other social media, subscribe to my other YouTube channel, link it all down in the description. I'll see you guys next time.